Hey guys, here's how to change the outer marker light located in the headlight assembly on your 2016 Subaru Outback. This bulb is going to be a clear 194 bulb. We're actually installing and upgrading these to LED. These are Oxito's LED light bulbs. They have light bulbs for every bulb on your car. Go check out their website. So to change this, you're just going to simply open the hood. This white connector right here, you're going to turn this counterclockwise to unlock it out of the lens. You're going to pull this out. Here's your light bulb. Simply grab it and pull it out. Now, if the light bulb's been on for a while, just be careful, it might be hot. Then you're going to take your new bulb. If you are using LEDs, they have a polarity to them, so you need to first install it and then turn the light on and make sure it does come on. If it doesn't, you're just going to simply pull it out and turn it 180 degrees and put it back in. Once you've confirmed that it does come on, simply locate the hole in the headlight assembly. You're going to slide this back in. There is locking tabs located on the socket. So you need to just line those up to make sure that it sits proper in the lens, and then turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Let's turn these things on and see what they look like compared to regular bulbs. So as you can see, they're nice and bright. The orange reflectors make them look orange. Compared to the other side, your regular halogen bulb is much more dim. So this still works fine, but I mean, if you're looking for a serious upgrade, check out the link in the description. Oxito's got you covered for all light bulbs. That's pretty much how to remove and replace the outer marker lights on your headlight assemblies on a 2016 Subaru Outback. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.